What is going on, guys? It's Linesberry, and welcome back. Now, sorry that I'm sweaty. I just finished washing and detailing the Civic, and to say this is its first wash with this new paint job, it really cleans up nicely. Now, a lot of you guys know I did post that 10-second edit. That edit wasn't originally made for YouTube. It was originally made for Instagram, which it was posted on. So if you guys do follow me on Instagram, right here, it'll be on the bottom of the screen. Our one low FG1, or one low FG1 underscore Trey. You guys would have saw the car painted and done already. It's been done for about a week and a half, maybe, or just over 2 weeks, maybe 3. But yeah, this is the car, as you guys can see. If I can get enough sunlight, it is very clean. You know, it's all one color, which is very, very good in my opinion, honestly. Repainting the wheels very soon. These will be alloy, so what the ring is itself, it'll be that whole color. I need to get a new 8th Gen Society sticker. This has been on the car since I bought the car, and it is starting to fade slowly. I might just make my own again. Remember, the car is lowered 1.5 inches in the front and 2 in the rear, almost, or right around that. Sure, that has the engine bay, because a lot of you guys are new to the channel. Like I said, this is my 2007 FG1 on the Civic Coupe. Well, that's what the FG1 is. That's our club banner. This is my engine bay. We have the DC Sports short ram intake, the Cusco Racing battery tear down, the Password JDM dress up kit for holding on our trim in here. We are sponsored by Mishimoto, so we have a Mishimoto rad down there. Mugen Power radiator cap and Mugen Power oil cap. I don't know if I said that. I have a red Honda or plastic engine piece cover. As I see, Cusco Racing and DC Sports. We have Spec D halo headlights, or Spec D headlights with halos and projectors. Projectors right here. The halos aren't wired up yet. I went with these lights because it's more of a Euro look. I like the way the FN2s look, or the FN chassis looks in Europe. These are our MSR 92s with our wrapped in Greenlander sport tires. These aren't too expensive. These are probably like $200 total. These are Walmart tires, I will admit. They aren't that big, or they aren't that great, to be honest with you. Interior, still stock. We'll be getting a new head unit very soon, because this one's pretty screwed, if it'll focus. So we are getting a new head unit very soon. We have our Crown Royal shift boot, pedal covers, subwoofer will be going in the trunk very soon. Bring you guys around back. We have a Password JDM tow hook. Exhaust is also coming soon. I know I've been saying that for a while, but I mean, trying to save up. Had to save up to paint the car, which I did paint myself, me and my uncle. But I didn't take any footage of that because I kind of wanted to just get over with and I didn't have time. But yeah, we have a trunk setup coming real soon. We're going to be having 2 12s in here. I'm trying to remember what the brand of the subs are. We're in my DC Sports unboxing video a while back. Have our service pack, I don't know exactly what you call it. Milk crate full of our detailing products. Still deciding if I want to get a Pseudo or catback, DC Sports catback or Yonaka catback. I'm probably going to go with the Yonaka one because they are on sale. So from here you can really see the color shot, or the color sparkle. Sorry, I'm out of breath right now. It's been a long day. Alright, I have to change the batteries out in the camera, but where was I at? So things coming, like I said, exhaust, that is coming very soon. Before this video, or the last video came out, probably like a month or 2 ago, we were supposed to get window tint, but that fell through. The guy that was going to do the window tint did some very shady stuff, so We still have no window tint all the way around besides on the back window, which is the factory one, which I think is 55 or 50, one of the two like that. Stock window tint on top of the sunroof and the banner. What I want to do is I want to do 45 all the way around, because I can't have dark window tint because I can't really see that well. So I kind of want to go 45 all the way around, or 40, with a 5% banner coming down to where the window ends, or it's where the mirror starts right there. We have our Mishimoto, because you know we sponsored Mishimoto Penguin with our Style Industries Turbo air freshener. And just to list off some of our sponsors, we do have sponsors for this build. We are sponsored by Sticker Boost, Devotees, Mishimoto, and well, those are the sponsors I have now. I'm working on a membership possibly with DC Sports, which I don't know how it's going to turn out. Hopefully we do get one with them. Besides that, that's pretty much it for the car. I would do another edit. The next video most likely will be with the whole LA1 South Boy team and some of our buddies, because a lot of you guys know, if you do follow us on Instagram, things have changed. This has been painted. My cousin Isaiah, or you guys followed him on Instagram, Black Mamba M45, the black Infiniti, was on the channel. He's no longer with us. He was involved in an accident about a month or two ago, and the car was unfortunately totaled, but he did get a new vehicle. Hopefully, maybe in the next video I'll tell you guys our matter of fact, I'll tell you, he has a 2015 or 2016, an S550 Mustang. It's 5.0. I think it's the 50th anniversary. It's one of those special edition ones. I'll flash up a photo of it on the screen. Gabe, or Gabe _ S13, as you guys may know him, with the clean white S13 coupe, or not coupe, hatch that was unmodded. The last time you guys saw him on the channel, the car was completely stock. He did put coilovers on that car, and he did buy wheels for it, but unfortunately it blew a head gasket. So now he has that was a pig nose, so now he has a shark nose, which I think is a 90 or 90, yeah, it's a 90 I think, or 91, one of those two. That's black. Well, it's on BC coilovers. It was an ex-drift car, so it's on BC coilovers. It has a quick release, wheels, a whole shebang. I'll try to get him in the next video. And also Rashawn from the last video, guys, let you guys know from our Pep Boys car meet video, our car show video, he has a 2010 or 2011 V6 Mero, so we'll look forward to. But yeah, besides that, guys, that'll be pretty much it for this video. Like I said, sorry for the last video. A lot of you guys did dislike that, which, I mean, it doesn't really affect me. Like I said, it's my channel. I'm gonna upload things. Even though it was 10 seconds long, it was a reveal. It wasn't a full in-depth video, but this was your guys' walk around. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at low1fg1_Trey. Follow our team on Facebook and on Instagram at LA1_SouthBoys. Don't forget to follow the whole squad. I'll put all their links in the description. And hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys later. Peace. I'm out. This is a bonus clip. I'm just gonna throw this in the video. Kids, this is why you double bucket wash your car. This was my soap bucket. This was my rinse bucket. This is all the dirt and grime off of the car from the last 2 weeks and off my wheels. Always double bucket. If you care about your vehicle, use 2 buckets.